boost bulk sales with WooCommerce tiered pricing table that shows customers exactly how much they'll save when they buy more. For example, here on our product page, we can clearly see that if we purchase between 10 and 24 units, we can get this product for $18 per unit, and the same if they buy 25 to 49 and so on. So this is a quick way for our customers to not guess how much they need to save. This reduces friction in the buying process for your customers, so they can quickly visually see how much they need to purchase to save a particular amount, and they can just click on the various pricing tiers to unlock that saving and just add it to their basket. To achieve all this, we'll be using a Wholesale WP plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below, or just head over to wholesalewp.com. Let's head over to our dashboard and I'll show you how to set this up. If we go ahead and click edit, we can do this on a per product basis, or we can do it on a global level. So we can add a bulk pricing table to multiple different products at once. And I'll show you how to do that later on as well. All right. So if we scroll down here, we can see our regular price is $24. However, if we want to add a pricing table, let's say, for example, if they buy 2, we can give it them for, let's say, $18 per unit. Right, and if they buy above 3, I'll give it them for $15. So 1 unit is $24, 2 unit is $18 per unit, and 3 and above is $15 per unit. Super simple. We can hit update. Before we do that, you might have noticed here that we've got different groups, and we can add various different pricing per user group. I'll leave a link in the description below, which will explain how to add various different groups and what you can do with those groups. Let's hit update. Let's view this product. And just like that, we've got our pricing table. So here you can see 1 unit is $24, 2 unit is 18, 3 unit is $15 per unit. And one more thing in which we can do is we can actually say tier 1, and it will say $24, and 2 units will say 18, and 3 unit will say 15. Let's hit save. And I'll show you why we're doing this in a second. Now, let's refresh this page. So basically, we're using this as a quantity selector. Here, you can see the default is 1 unit, 24. We can go ahead and just choose 2 or 3. So this just enhances the user experience. And before we close off this video, let me show you how you can do this on a global level as well. So we'll head back over to our dashboard. We'll navigate over to Wholesale WP, and then we'll navigate over to dynamic rules. From here, we can add a new rule. We'll select our rule type and we'll just say tiered price. We'll give it a name, just for internal purposes. We get to specify which product we want this to apply to. So all products or a specific product. Select all. We select who we want this to apply to. I'm going to select everyone. And then here we can go ahead and create our various different tiers. Once you're happy with everything, just hit create and activate. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.